Hi, my name is Dan Goerdt. I'm the president at Flexagon, and today's question is, what is FlexDeploy? Well, FlexDeploy is a DevOps platform for continuous delivery and release automation. There's really three different major capabilities of the platform, which is build automation, deployment automation, and release orchestration. Before we get to any overview of those specific topics, the key is, what are we trying to achieve, right? So over the years, we've struggled as IT people to be as efficient as we possibly can in terms of delivering capability in support of our businesses and get the maximum benefit and value out of them. So we've established more agile processes, and we automate many of the processes so that we can continually deliver and achieve the value. Now, at Flexagon, the way we think about this in terms of our software, FlexDeploy, is around those three areas that you need as a DevOps platform to be able to truly achieve that end-to-end impact that we're all looking for. So build automation. How do we package up changes of many different sorts? It might be packaging up the definition of a set of infrastructure. It might be more traditional builds where you might take a jar file or create a jar file after sourcing from a source control system, or many other changes. Take, for example, e-business suite, where you have a bunch of customizations of that packaged application, and you need to create a build package of those and save those away into an artifact repository. So build is extract from source control, package up, save it into an artifact repository. Deployment automation now takes those build artifacts and pushes those into their respective environment. It might be spinning up some new cloud resources. It might be deploying a web application into an application server. Or it might be deploying some database schema changes at the database level, or many other types of changes. So that's deployment automation. So we're going to take that build artifact, deploy it up into some type of environment. It might be establishing the environment, it might be deploying the artifacts into an existing environment, and then managing that process from end to end. So that's foundational in nature with build and deploy. And then we have release orchestration that really encompasses the whole process. So it ties our process from planning all the way through to deploying into a release, ultimately into production, and then monitoring and operating that entire life cycle. So driving the continuous delivery of changes throughout that life cycle, getting the feedback, and really making sure that not only are we able to achieve the speed out of the delivery, but also achieve the higher quality because we're automating many of the processes, and the cost and risk benefits that we're looking to achieve there, because we're taking cycles out of the equation, i.e. human cycles, manual tasks, heavily writing scripts, so on and so forth, and replacing that with automated processes. So along the way, you also get visibility via dashboards, reports, and so now you have not only automation, controls and governance, but also that visibility throughout the entire life cycle. So in a nutshell, that's what FlexDeploy is. Hopefully that was beneficial. And if you liked it, give us a thumbs up, and we'll take any other comments or suggestions as far as other topics to cover in other videos. Thanks.